In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix your YouTube Wrapped or your YouTube Recap not showing. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, what you're going to want to do is actually back out of YouTube and either open up the App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device, and go ahead and go to the search bar and type in YouTube. The reason you're going to want to do this is because when you open this up, if you do see the option to update it, go ahead and update the YouTube app to the latest version. If it's not updated, you're probably not going to see your recap or your wrapped, so just keep that in mind. After doing so, if you open up YouTube and select this U section, you should see this YouTube 2025 recap is here section, and you can just select that to open it up. If it's still not popping up for you, what you're going to want to do is open up a web browser and just go up to the top and search for youtube.com/recap and hit go. And when you hit go, it's going to take you to a page that looks like this with this little pop-up down here. Simply select open YouTube and hit open again, and it's going to automatically open up your recap for you. If it doesn't, it might just open up YouTube, hit open, and then you'll see that recap button appear. But that is it. Update your app, check that link, and you'll see your YouTube recap. If you guys do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.